parallel comparator or flash type analog to digital converter. This is the simplest analog to digital converter. It is at the same time the faster and expensive technique. If I consider 3-bit analog to digital converter, the circuit consists of resistor divider network and 8 op amp. Means here the bit number is 3. So here 2 power 3, 8 number of comparators are we are using in parallel comparator. And also 8 line to 3 line encoder. This encoder is priority encoder. This is the functional diagram of flash type analog to digital converter. Here this is resistive divider network. So here this reference voltage is connected to all inverting terminals of comparators. Here these all op amps are acts as comparator. If non-inverting voltage is more, then output of comparator is plus Vsat. Whenever the negative terminal voltage is very high, at that case output is minus Vsat. Plus Vsat is considered as logic 1 and minus Vsat is considered as logic 0. So here how we can find out this nodal voltage means here apply voltage divider rule. Initially from this node to ground there is no, so here every node you have to find out node to remaining resistors. Initially here one nodal voltage, apply nodal voltage, total resistors are 8, remaining this one total from this node to ground all resistors are 7. 7 into reference voltage by total resistance is 8. Next here 6 by 8. Here 5 by 8. Here 4 by 8. Like this we can find out these all reference voltages. So here truth table for this functional diagram and comparator is this one. Voltage input, if positive voltage is high plus Vsat logic 1 and here negative voltage is high, at that case logic equals to x equals to 0. Whenever these two voltages are 0, then the output is previous value. This is truth table for flash type analog to digital converter. So here from 0 to 1 by 8 we are connecting only single comparator. So here x naught is valid, remaining all are zeros. 0 0 0 0, only x naught is means comparator 1 is active, at that case output equals to 0 0 0 0 means here whenever the output is x naught is connected to means here this is 1, remaining all are zeros, comparator output is zeros. So from 0 means 1 by 8 to 2 by 8, here two comparators are connected. So here all are zeros, only x1 and x0 is 1, at that case output is 1. Same at the same time Vr by 4 to 3, Vr by 8 up to that 3 comparators are connecting, at that case output is 0 1 0 0. Like that we can find out all digital outputs. So here the circuit has advantage of high speed as conversion to place simultaneously rather than the sequentially. Typical conversion time for means for this conversion we can use only 100 nanoseconds or less. This type of analog conversion is having some disadvantage. That disadvantage is number of comparators using. If bits are increasing, number of comparators are also increases. That is the disadvantage for flash type digital analog to digital conversion. Next one is that successive approximation converter. Here the successive approximation technique uses very efficient code search strategy to complete n-bit conversion in just n clock periods. An 8-bit converter would require 8 clock pulses to obtain a digital output. So here this is the diagram for successive approximation converter. Successive approximation register and digital to analog converter and start, and this is end of conversion. Whenever the conversion is start, it shows start. Whenever that end of conversion means after completion of analog to digital conversion, it shows end. So initially here analog input is applied to the inverting terminal, and digital output is connecting to non-inverting terminal. So here initially MSB bit D1 is equals to 1 with all bits are set to 0, means if I use 8 bit, at that case initial MSB bit is 1, remaining all are zeros. This new code is means this digital output is known as trial bit. If at that case if VA is greater than VD, then this code is less than the correct digital representation, means ఇక్కడ VA is very less than this digital code. However VA is less than VD, at that case means here whenever this trial code, if we are applying this trial code, at that case we are considering two cases, VA is greater than VD and VA is less than VD. What happens in, we'll see in next para. So here consider this data, that is 1000. At that case you have to consider two cases, one is VD is greater than VA and second one is VD is less than VA. Whenever the VD is greater than VA, at that case comparator output is high. This is for first bit. And also at the same time if VD is less than VA, at that case comparator output is low. Here non-inverting voltage is high, here that inverting voltage is high. At that case here it is high output and it is low. And next for this, if your comparator output is given to the SAR, at that case initial bit is 1 here and next bit is also 1, remaining all are set to 0. If it is less than VD is less than VA, initially it will be reset to 0 and next will be 1 and remaining zeros. At the same time for second bit you have to consider this is new trial bit, and for this you have to consider two cases, VD is greater than VA and VD is less than VA. If it is satisfies, then comparator output is high. At that case first bit is 1, second bit is 1 and third bit is 1 and next bit is 0. And next if it satisfies VD is less than VA, at that case first bit is 1, second bit is reset to 0 and third bit is 1 and 0. At the same time you have to apply for all those bits.